In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to deactivate Instagram account temporarily. Let's get started right now. What you want to do, guys, you want to open your Instagram account, of course. Now, after that, guys, you want to click your profile picture at the very bottom right, as you can see. Sorry. You want to click your profile picture at the very bottom right. Now, after that, guys, you want to click on three little lines in the top right. Three little lines in the top right. So that, guys, you want to click on settings in the top. After that, guys, you want to click on account. So just click on account. Now after that, you want to scroll down a little bit. Okay, this is very easy, guys. I didn't expect this to be this easy. So all you have to do, guys, you want to click on delete account here. Now if you want to delete it temporarily, that's why you clicked on this video, you want to select the first option. But if you want to delete it permanently, like it says here, delete account permanently, you will never get it back again, and your Instagram and photos will be deleted forever. Click the second option. If you want to know exactly how it's done, I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video about how you can delete it like permanently. But if you just want to delete it temporarily, click on the activate account in the top. Okay, now so that you want to follow the steps. Okay, this is very easy. Now Instagram is going to ask you why you want to deactivate your account. Just give them a reason. For me, I would just say like privacy concerns. Okay, now if you want to delete it, you want to just click on continue to, like it says here, to continue, please re-enter your password. You have to enter here your password so that Instagram will make sure that it's you who wants to delete who wants to deactivate Instagram account. Okay, just enter here your password. Now after you enter password, guys, scroll down and you will find this blue button here. Click here, temporarily deactivate account, and you will be able to deactivate account temporarily. So like I said, guys, if you want to disable it, if you want to delete it permanently, click in the video in the screen right now to delete it permanently. Hopefully this video, guys, helped. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments. If this doesn't work or anything, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys next video. Leave a like. See you.